Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up EZMira on your TV. First, locate an open HDMI port on your television and plug in the EZMira dongle. Next, connect the included USB power cable to the dongle and either a USB port on your TV or a wall adapter. Finally, use your TV remote to change the input source to the HDMI channel where your EZMira is connected. This will display the EZMira setup screen. Now that EZMira is powered on and visible, you will see its setup instructions on your TV. Take your smartphone or tablet and connect it to the EZMira's own Wi-Fi network, which will be listed on the screen. Once connected, open a web browser on your mobile device. Type in the specific IP address shown on your television to access the EZMira's settings page. On the EZMira settings page in your browser, find the option to connect to your home Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list and carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. After connecting, your EZMira device will restart. Then, on your mobile device, enable its screen mirroring or cast feature. Select the EZMira device from the available options to begin mirroring your screen. If you encounter any issues, first ensure your EZMira dongle has sufficient power, perhaps by using a wall adapter instead of a TV USB port. Double-check that both your mobile device and the EZMira are connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. If problems continue, try restarting both the EZMira device and your smartphone or tablet. This often resolves minor connectivity glitches for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.